What's up guys, Rick with RallySportDirect here. It is February, which means there's some new products I've got to show you. This is New Products February. Let's get it started. First up is a few brand new products from Grimspeed, and this is their pulley cover. Now this is going to be specific for the 15 Plus WRX and STI, available in both black and red, and of course comes coated in this incredibly heavy duty powder coat. These are all laser cut aluminum for a very precise fitment, and they even notch the hole for you, so that way even if your brackets aren't perfect, the fitment of this on your car will be. And next from Grimspeed is their brand new cold air intake, specific for the 02 to 07 WRX and STI, as well as the 04 to 08 Forester XT. This is what they call their hybrid intake, which means you get all of the benefits of a cold air intake with none of the drawbacks. Grimspeed also includes air vanes within the actual tube itself, which means more power and better reliability. With this intake utilizing all of Grimspeed's latest technology, there's no reason why your Impreza or Forester shouldn't benefit from more power, airflow, sound, and honestly, better looks. Up next is something new from Raceseng, and it is their reverse lockout kit specific for the 04 Plus STI. Made from 100% CNC'd aluminum and then anodized, and Raceseng has designed these to work with just about any aftermarket shifter on the market. So it's time to get rid of that garbage plastic factory lockout and get yourself something proper. Moving on, we have these KICS 50mm extended length closed end lug nuts. They come with a very slim profile, so they'll fit within any wheel, and they're made from a specialty steel, which is both very lightweight and strong. With them being available in both gold and black, you can either get something that's a little bit more stealthy or something to really make your wheels pop. Either way, these KICS Heptagon lug nuts are an amazing set and definitely worth checking out. And how about some new wheels? We just got in a ton of XXR wheels, and of course these will all be dual drilled. They're gonna come in a bunch of different sizes and offsets to suit your needs, and of course a bunch of different colors. Like this wheel sitting here next to me in chromium black. It's that beautiful, rich black color, and of course being a 527, it's gonna have that aggressive multi-spoke design. Or this XXR 530 in flat black, which is gonna give you a much more race-ready type look. Or even this XXR 558 with this classic Japanese tuner design, and being in that classic gorgeous gold color, this wheel is really gonna stand out. With their entire lineup being incredibly strong and very lightweight and designed to clear big brakes, if you're looking for a wheel that won't break the bank, definitely check out the entire XXR lineup. And now a few new items we've brought in from OLM, and these ones I'm particularly excited about. And the first one is the OLM all-in-one 35-watt HID kit. Now these are gonna come in a bunch of different color temperatures, so whether you're looking for something a little bit on the warmer scale or something that is just crisp white, we can get you taken care of. And when OLM says it's an all-in-one plug-and-play kit, they actually mean it. So of course you're gonna get your ballast and your bulb. You literally just plug the ballast into the back of the bulb, and then this connects to your factory harness. That's it. Then you have beautiful, crisp HID lights with that nice, sharp cutoff line that's gonna light the road incredibly well. And with all the different color options, you can really dial it in for the look you're going for. And next up from OLM, continuing with lighting, is their plug-and-play LED fog light bulb. These utilize the Cree XHP50 LED, which, if you guys know, is literally one of the brightest LEDs that you can get. One unique feature on these bulbs is that they come with different color films. So if you're the type of person who wants to try a different color temperature, you simply swap over the films and you can go from a yellow to a crisp white, just like that. If you're needing incredible lighting performance that's 100% plug and play and will completely change the look of your vehicle, definitely check out the OLM lineup. Up next is something that every person should have in their car when it comes to dealing with extreme weather, and that is the Subaru Severe Weather Companion. Now inside this kit, they include a shovel, rain poncho, first aid kit, waterproof matches, candles, an LED headlamp, and it all comes nicely packaged inside this nice little kit. And what's more is there's even room in there should you decide to add to it later on. Plus, with the Velcro backing, you can store this just about anywhere in your car. And for the rear of your car, we've got the GCS Rear Fog, or some people call it the third brake light. Now, we stock these in both the clear red as well as the smoke for that nice stealthy look. These do come with powerful LEDs, and so when you hook them up to your reverse lights, they work incredibly well for helping guide you when you're reversing, and they also double as a fog light when your daytime running lights are on, and a brake light when you hit the brakes. So whether you're replacing your black crappy plastic piece that comes on the factory on these WRXs and STIs, or maybe you're looking for an upgrade from your old third brake light and want something significantly better, these will make a massive difference in the style on the rear end of your car. And last but certainly not least is the Openflash Tablet, specific for the FRS, BRZ, and GT86. This little magic black box has perhaps become one of the most preferred tuning tools in the GT86 world, and here's why. One, it's 100% plug and play. Literally plug it in, install your tune, and you're good to go. Two, you have tuning available at your fingertips. No longer do you need a laptop in the car to make any changes. Three, and the support. There are an incredible amount of free off-the-shelf maps available to download and install onto your car. Last, the fact that you have digital gauges, data logging, check engine light reader, and code clear, all packaged in this nice little touchscreen. With all of that, if you've already modified your GT86 or you're planning on modifying your GT86, this is critical to not only increasing horsepower, but increasing horsepower reliably. And that is it, guys. If you want any more information on any of the products featured here, make sure to check the links down in the description. And just a friendly reminder, it is February. So get your significant other something nice, but also make sure you get yourself something nice as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I genuinely hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, give me a like, and see you guys next month.